Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a memory foam pillow. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And then on the side right here they do probably got some of the specs and features on here. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, if you see the inside all nicely wrapped up, but let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, and you see how the product is all nicely compressed. But first let me actually take out the product to show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys do fully expand it. Alright, so first the inside right here, they do provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see the way how they designed this pillow is actually very cool and very unique. They do have a center part right here for you guys to put your head. And then you guys see on the side right here, they do have the slot for you guys to put your arm on here when you guys are sleeping it. Whether you guys want to use it in this side or this side, both of them work the same way. And the way how they designed the pillow is adjustable or reversible. So you can definitely just sleep on this side like this. Or if you guys want to flip it around, you do have the option to sleep right here as well. And also the way how they designed this pillow allow you guys to sleep in many different ways. So whether if you guys want to be higher or lower in the middle, that is totally up to you guys. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality memory foam material. So regardless if you guys are a stomach sleeper, back sleeper, or side sleeper, the way how they designed it allow you guys to use it for many different ways. And the material that's on the actual cover is breathable. So if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. And for this cover, you do have the option to wash it. So let's do open up. You guys can basically take off this part right here and wash it. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. And when you guys do smell it, there is a smell that's on here, but it's totally fine. If you guys just leave it out and let it ventilate by itself, the smell will go away eventually because it is like a brand new product. But definitely not the way how they designed the product because it does give you guys the option, like I mentioned, to put your arm right here. So like for people who are side sleeper, this is actually pretty useful. Or if you guys want to use it the other way like this, you do have the option available as well, which is pretty cool. But when you guys do use the product, it actually feels really comfortable because of the memory foam material that's on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality memory foam pillow that has a similar design that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.